Professionally produced inventories are a necessity for any of the 3 deposit schemes. A VeriSmart inventory is a detailed description of a property, including contents and condition, ensuring that landlords and tenants are fully supported, thus avoiding unnecessary disputes. VeriSmart inventories include high-resolution digital photography as standard, including photos of keys, smoke and CO2 alarms, utility meter readings including location and dates where visible, as well as gardens and garages. All reports are delivered in full-color PDF format and stored indefinitely on our VeriSmart online booking calendar should they ever be needed. VeriSmart inventories are sent to relevant persons for online verification via VeriSmart's trademarked delivery system, ensuring that landlords and tenants are protected from inaccurate descriptions. VeriSmart can carry out all these services whilst in the property. For more information, contact VeriSmart on 0845 612 3727. VeriSmart, keeping landlords legal and tenants safe.